More than 10,000 years ago, people started growing the most important crop in the world, wheat. Today, in a good crop year, nearly 25 million tons are harvested in Germany alone. Dry weather during harvest time in August provides ideal preconditions for storage and processing throughout the year. Quality requires quality. Rosenmehl recognizes this fact by making quality an absolute priority. Our long-standing cooperation with farmers throughout the region often goes back over several generations, an arrangement which has proved its worth time and time again. Almost all the wheat we mill comes from Bavaria. We have our own fleet of 20 modern trucks, enabling us to ensure reliable deliveries at all times of day and night. The Rosenmehl is one of the leading and most up-to-date flour mills in the world. It is IFS certified to an advanced level. Before the grain is unloaded, a representative sample is taken, which is then used for the subsequent ingredient analyses. Qualified professionals conduct sensitive tests. The requirements are clearly laid down. The grain must be free of extraneous smells and insects and must have a characteristic appearance. Once it has passed that hurdle, the sample is sent by pneumatic delivery to the laboratory, which determines the relevant property parameters for the stringently defined grain segregation process. The segregated batches of grain with clearly defined properties provide the basis for accurate blending in order to meet the characteristics required of top-quality flours, as well as consistency and suitability for the intended purpose. It takes highly qualified staff and optimally equipped facilities to produce our quality flours with absolutely consistent properties. In order to ensure that the wheat can be traced back to the producer, samples are stored in DEBA safe bags for a period of 2 years. Clearance must be given by the laboratory before a batch of grain can be unloaded. Visualization and process controllers permit the subsequent planning and monitoring of the entire process. The production activity control system combines a high degree of automation with efficient, order-oriented production. Rosenmehl is one of the few flour mills around the world to use an air makeup system for the processed air. More than 3,000 cubic meters of air per minute are cleaned by filtering. The air can also be preheated if required. We use grain preparation equipment which far exceeds the usual trade standards. The grain cleaning technology was specially designed to ensure an efficient neutralization of environmental contamination and the removal of foreign matter. This enables us to control requirements relating to hygiene and food regulations. Mention should also be made of the peeling system, which was installed to meet the highest hygienic requirements in whole grain product manufacture, as well as color sorting for all rye products. Fast optoelectronic cameras detect the off-colored grains which are removed by fast-acting air jets. Color sorting results in the almost complete removal of ergot. This ensures the lowest alkaloid contamination level in Rosenmehl rye products. Grain needs conditioning in order to provide optimal milling conditions. After wetting, the grain needs time to rest and temper. This is a delicate step since germs can develop. In Rosenmehl, stainless steel rest bins are employed to reduce the risk. In addition, all production areas are separated by airlock doors, thus avoiding the cross-contamination of process air. The most important area in a flour mill is the roller floor. The machines employed are specially designed to meet the high standards of the food industry. The working tools of the roller mills consist of centrifugally cast alloy rolls. Oil lubrication and hydraulic control have been eliminated and air is used for control purposes. Roller mills perform a selective, multi-stage reduction process which is alternated with sieving off the flour and redistributing the other fractions to the next grinding steps, as appropriate. The conveying of the ground stock to the sieving machines, the plan sifters, located on an upper floor, is carried out by a pneumatic suction system. The air used for the pneumatic conveying process also removes the heat created during grinding, creating a slight vacuum inside the machines and preventing dusting. A special feature of the installation employed in the Rosenmühle is the wide spectrum of variable process parameters. This links the latest state-of-the-art technology with trend-setting structural engineering. The building was erected using a slip concrete construction with chamfered floors, wall sockets and complete insulation against condensation. Continuous intermediate stock and finished product controls safeguard the high quality of our premium finished goods. The Rosenmühle Mill Laboratory is equipped with the very latest instrumentation for flour analysis. The staff in the Quality Assurance Department can also evaluate the dough's rheological properties using a complete range of state-of-the-art apparatus, allowing precise conclusions regarding dough performance during the manufacturing of bread and other baked goods. In the test bakery, the data summarizing the analytical properties are continuously assessed with respect to suitability and usability in predicting dough and baking behavior. New correlations are then established if necessary. This is the only way to utilize the analytical data for the segregation of raw material for manufacturing special purpose flours. Furthermore, baking results provide a link to the manufacturing processes of our customers. The main focus of the development work in our Rosenmehl baking studio also includes creating recipes as well as the adjustment of formulations and procedures. It is frequently undertaken as a special assignment on behalf of one of our customers. Since it is always executed in close cooperation with the customer, it helps to optimize processes in the manufacture of baked goods. Our team of baking consultants are available daily to provide advice and support for bakers throughout Bavaria. Our on-the-spot personal counseling service includes adjusting customized recipes to the specific requirements of individual shops, as well as the introduction of successful, tried and tested concepts to the wider market. Ideas and new insights are discussed and implemented together with our customers. Our experience over the past decades enables us to make a valuable contribution. Our commitment is based on our business philosophy. We want to assist you to build a better business. Future-oriented management focused on the requirements of the customer is the hallmark of a successful company. Furthermore, stringent hygienic standards in all areas are our absolute priority. Only this can ensure that our top-quality products leave our premises in perfect condition. Rosenmehl is available in bags of different sizes in order to meet the varying needs of our customers. The bagging is carried out using the very latest equipment. Of course, metal detectors are in operation. Our loading facility for bulk flour is patented worldwide. More than 90% of all mill products produced for industrial and artisan bakers are shipped in our own bulk vehicles. The core items are 2 mobile weighbridges, which dispense with the horizontal transport of the products with all the attendant hygienic disadvantages. Before loading, the vehicles undergo a dry cleaning procedure. Each loading trail is equipped with an effective mobile vacuum system. Vehicle loading is automatically governed by the control system. And here we return full circle, having proved our initial statement, quality requires quality. Excellent, consistent raw materials and our customers' premium baked goods are crucial for our success in the long term, as they have been for decades. Use good flour. Even better, use better flour, or even the very best. Rosenmehl.